Hi there friends, welcome to MarielBeadsandBeyond. One more time, we are going to be reviewing this Hardell cordless Rotary toolkit. This was sent to me by Hardell and we are going to go ahead and open it and we can see what comes in it. As you can see, it comes in the little container. See, we have several tools. I'm really interested in see how this works. So of course the charger and the instructions. I'm gonna go get one so we can try it. Then for the other one, cutting, polishing, carving, grinding. So there's several things that you can do with this. So I haven't charged it, as you can see. I just open it and I can already work with it. Oh, look, it has a light. I love that part.